No, no, no! Yeah! Oh, come on! Yes.
Hey Tommy, have you ever thought what would happen in the world if we went out of strontium?
No.
Strontium isn't that popular and useful, but maybe we can learn something about it. Strontium is a chemical element with number 38. You can find it naturally in the celestine and in the strontianite, and it's only mined from them.
Why do we care about it?
Previously, the most important application of the strontium was as a glass modifier for Catholic ray tubes, and
Wait, but today they have been replaced by flat panel displays, don't they? So, what are the most important application right now?
the most important one is the usage of the celestine, which is the mineral where we found strontium, in drilling muds for natural gas and crude oil wells.
What are drilling muds?
Drilling muds are fluids that help while drilling oil and natural gas. But in Europe there aren't many oil fields, so the most important applications are others. At the top of the list we have two applications. The first one is as a coloring agent in pyrotechnic applications.
So, what color does strontium produce?
It produces bright red color in fireworks and warning flares, for example, but also purple color when in combination with copper. Imagine a New Year's Eve without them.
And what about the second application?
Second application is in the creation of ferrite ceramic magnets, which get used in small current motors like automobile, windshield wipers, loudspeakers or toys. But there are many more fields of use, like aerospace, to improve strength and activity of castings in metal, but also in the medical and production of fiberglass and lab glass. Because of its optical properties, it also increases hardness and strength and intensifies light refraction.
Wow, I didn't imagine it had so many used. So, what would happen if it disappeared from Earth? It could happen in the next decades with climate change and our massive consumption of resources.
Well, in the glass industry, without the presence of this element, the production would be stopped and we would be forced to find another element for replace this one. We would also lose many of the usual coloring in fireworks, but that's not a really important consequence.
What could be an alternative for drilling muds?
In drilling muds, the alternative material for strontium sulfate is the borate, which is normally preferred. However, when the price of borate gets too high, the demand shifts on strontium. So there would be a big economic problem.
And what about the magnets? What can be substitutes for them?
Ferrite ceramic magnets can be produced using barium instead of strontium, but can be used only in lower temperatures.
But can we do something daily to preserve the usage of strontium?
Well, the major problem is the big campaigns and how the element is utilized in terms of quantities and efficiency. But what we can always do and always make the difference is recycling. With that, we can do something good for the environment and as a consequence for us.